Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. I'm here today to talk to you guys about the voice-activated sleek audio recorder. Now, who said spy pens have to be big or bulky? This pen looks exactly like any other pen, but it actually conceals a hidden microphone that's extremely sensitive and can be voice activated. With an extremely good battery life and easy to use design, this pen should definitely be on your wish list. Next up, I'm going to show you exactly how to start and stop a recording and then give you a demonstration on the quality of the microphone. Hello everyone, today what we're doing is a quality demonstration for the Slim audio recording pen. Now we're going to do a couple of different demonstrations for you here in our storefront, and in order to do these demonstrations we first have to start a recording. Let me show you how to do that. So located on the pen here, the clip actually slides down. So if I press down just right here, that starts the recording. There's no beeping, buzzing, flashing lights, or anything. Now in a few seconds, this audio recorder will actually be recording all of the audio that you're currently hearing. Now, to give you an idea of our storefront, it's 20 feet wide by 30 feet long. Now, the first test we're going to do for you guys is a conversation test, and for that test, I'm actually going to put the Slim audio recording pen back in the pen cup. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio quality of our recorders. This test is done in a normal speaking volume.
Awesome. For our next test, we're going to do a distance test, and for that, we're going to put the pen cup a little bit further away. This is a test at 10 feet. This is a quality demonstration at 20 feet. And finally, a quality demonstration at 30 feet. The 1 GB internal memory stores up to 140 hours of audio at a time. It also features a 12-hour internal rechargeable battery as well. When you need to listen to the files, clear the memory, or recharge the battery, simply plug the entire pen into your computer with the provided cable. Part of what makes SpyCentre truly the Spy Gear Superstore and sets us apart from other spy stores out there is the fact that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've also been in business for over 20 years and have served tens of thousands of customers. Our support staff will ensure that you find the perfect product to fit your needs. We offer free ground shipping, discreet billing, free lifetime technical support, and we are also open on Saturdays to better assist you. If you guys have any questions about anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us online via live chat or by telephone at 1-800-292-7748.